Hello everyone. Today I'm discussing about Polytechnic TRB exam question, easily solving method and using some easy tricks. Let's start in the session. I'm discussing about questions of TRB Polytechnic exams. Now started in this session. This question was, among the metal ion, which ion has zero crystal field stabilization energy in octahedral field? Again I repeated the questions. Among the metal ion, which ion has zero crystal field stabilization energy in octahedral field? So question was crystal field stabilization energy. So simplified question is CFSE. So options are A, D5 ion low spin, B, D6 ion low spin, and C is D6 ion high spin, and D is D5 ion high spin. Now discussing about in these questions. First of all, what is the CFSE? CFSE is crystal field stabilization energy, that is called CFSE. C means crystal, F means field stabilization energy, S, E is energy. What is the CFSE? The energy of the electron configuration in the ligand field and spin pairing energy. Again I repeated, the energy of the electron configuration in the ligand field and spin pairing energy, that is called CFSE. Next, some factors using to this above CFSE. CFSE will be depending on the multiple factor. So multiple factor means I taking 4 factors. First factor is geometry. Geometry is which is changing the d orbital splitting pattern. Splitting pattern, so changing of the d orbital. Next, number of d electrons. How many electrons present in the d electrons? Next, spin pairing energy. This is spin is low spin or high spin. So spin pairing energy, and ligand character. So particularly ligand character is using to the spectrochemical series. CFSE is classified in 2 ways. First one tetrahedral complex, another one octahedral complex. So tetrahedral complex and octahedral complex, and low spin and high spin. Low spin means the complex contains strong field ligand which paired the electron. That is called low spin. Again I repeated, the complex contains strong field ligand which pair the electron. It is keyword of strong field and paired the electron. Again I spin. What is high spin? The complex contain weak field ligand which does not pair the electron. So this is tricks of the in this question. Strong field and weak field not paired in low spin. High spin. Low spin is strong field paired. This is tricks of the in this question. Next we go to the octahedral complex. What is the first of all you write complex structure. D orbital, I am writing to D orbital, and D orbital T2G, EG. This energy barrier, this barrier center, this is barrier center and energy gap. This is center of this 10 dq, and T2G is minus 0.4 d0 and EG is plus 0.6 d0. So same as it is octahedral complex, and tetrahedral complex. This is revised about plus 0.4 and 0.6 is minus. T2G is EG and T2G there. This is opposite, near opposite to tetrahedral complex. Now we are going to formula of CFSE. What is formula is using to minus 0.4 int number of electron present in T2G. How many electron present in T2G? In present 6 electron is maximum 6 electron present in T2G. Then plus 0.6 this in this plus 6, and number of electron present EG. EG how many electron present? 4 electron is present. So overall calculate to the answer is CFSE value. Next we going to options and the answers. We are going to discuss two options. First option is D5 ion low spin. First of all, you write the EG T2G. EG the low spin only for ground state filling, after filling high spin only after filling excited state. Low spin only ground state only filled and pairing electron, and high spin is ground state to excited state. D5 ion low spin. So D5 ions 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5. So 5 electron is filled in this T2G orbital. See this low spin, so only filled in the ground filled. So CFSE value is using two above formula. The CFSE is 0 minus 0.4 into how many electron present into 0.5 electron present plus EG is not a number of electron filled in the EG 0.6 into 0. So 4 into 0.5 is 2.0 plus 0. So answer is 2.0. So not answer this question. Next options B. D6 ion low spin. So low spin only filled in the T2G orbital. High spin only T2G filled after filling to the pairing of electron. EG after filling the pairing of electron. So again I repeat D6 ions. So D6 ions filling to 1, 2, 3. Again fillings 1, 2, 3. So pairing of electron, 6 electron present into T2G. So CFSE value is 0.4 into how many electron fill in the T2G? 6 plus 0.6 EG is 0. So 6 into 4 2.4 plus 0. So answer is 2.4. So this is not answer. Next option C, D6 ion high spin. High spin filling to T2G and EG after filling pairing. So D6 ion T2G 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 after one electron pairing of this electron. So CFSE value calculating 0.4 into 4. How many electron filled in T2G? 4 electrons. So 4 plus 0.6. How many electron filled in EG? 2. So answer is, so 4 into 4 1.6 in plus 6 into 1.2. So the answer is 0.4. So this is not answer. Next options are D. D5 ion high spin. So D5 ion high spin is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 electron filled in T2G orbital and EG orbital. So CFSE value is 0.4 minus 0.4 into 3. 1, 2, 3, 3 plus 0.6 into 2. So 4 into 3 1.2 plus 0.6 into 1.2. So answer is minus 0. This is correct answer from these above questions. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. I asked some question and asked a general chemistry question. So you are answering to my question for comment box. Now I am started this questions. Which gas using for LPG cylinder? So answer you write comment box. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.